That's the ultimate fucking...
Yeah, because you're shouting. You're always shouting.
Ellen,
you always raise your voice.
Shouting. I'm always shouting.
You don't have
Jess,
to
alam ikaw na ba ako dito sa pamahay na to?
Tubag, Jess.
Napakamanhid mo.
Ellen Adarna matapang na inilabas sa publiko ang mga audio recordings patungkol sa maling pagtatrate sa kanya ng mister na si Derek Ramsey. Mula sa official Instagram account ng aktres na si Ellen Adarna ay muli nga itong naglabas ng mga resibo kung saan ay ang iilan dito ay ang mga audio recordings na maririnig ang kanilang mga naging away at pagtatalo ni Derek Ramsey noong taong 2021 at sila'y nagsasama pa. Sa mga audio recordings na naibahagi ay maririnig nga na bukod sa pinagtataasan siya ng boses ni Derek ay pinagmumura din siya nito. Maririnig din na habang nag-aaway ang dalawa sa naturang recording ay napakamalumanay nga lamang ni Ellen kahit na sinisigawan na siya nito. Agad namang kumalat at nag-viral online ang naturang mga recordings kung saan ay maraming netizens ang talagang nagulat at hindi makapaniwala na ganun pala ang ginagawa ni Derek sa misis na si Ellen Adarna. Kaya naman hindi umano kataka-taka na talagang tinuluyan na siyang iniwan ni Ellen lalong-lalo na at nagkaroon pa ng cheating issue. Samantala, matapos naman ibahagi ni Ellen ang mga resibong ito ay nagpaalala din siya sa mga kababaihan na huwag hayaan na maging ganun ang trate sa kanila ng kanilang mga partners. Narito ang kanyang naging pahayag. Kung magkaaway man, let's keep it respectful, walang murahan, walang sigawan. Normal lang ang conflict. It takes two to tango, but cursing and shouting should never be part of it. There are healthier ways to express anger. Going beast mode is never the solution. I'm no saint and I'm not pretending to be perfect. I know I can be difficult sometimes, minsan I shut down and give the silent treatment, and I understand that can trigger people who are very confrontational.
That's the ultimate fucking...
Yeah, because you're shouting. You're always shouting.
Ellen,
you always raise your voice.
Shouting. I'm always shouting.
You don't have
Jess,
to
alam ikaw na ba ako dito sa pamahay na to?
Tubag, Jess.
Napakamanhid mo.
Diba I told you I was quiet because why was she so worried about the things when the house is falling
Maybe because
off?
that means something.
Oh, babe, okay.
Kasi ang problema sa'yo, everything is an object that can be replaced. So sabihin mo sa akin, pareho kami? Sabihin mo, tignan mo mangyayari dito. Sabihin mo! Hindi mo masabi. I wish you could look at yourself in the mirror and see how you are. You're too cool. You're the shit. Ano ba ng mga boss mo? Punta puro ka pasisira sa akin. Grabe, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Ang taong mahal mo, walang magsabing maganda tungkol sa'yo. Pareho pala kami. Bakit mo ako pinakasalan? Putang ina.
Pinabarangay ko siya dahil twice. Yeah, not once, but twice. Yeah, but we had an agreement that this was like months ago, maybe 3 months ago. But we had an agreement that he won't come back until I move into my new place. Total, I'm gonna be gone forever. So just give me until my place is done. And there. Dai, about the Tia and Gaza thing, I never lied, I never denied. I just did not talk about the relationship at the time because I wasn't ready. But I never denied, never lied. I just made some comments about kung sa itong billionaire, kung nakakatawa. And about the father of Elias, no? Why? Diba? Ba't mo minamaliit? if we're gonna talk about billionaire kana vibes ka to si J. Alday, mas nagka-feel pa ko ato yung billions kay he would charter a private plane for Elias during COVID just to see his son. Let's talk about private planes. Diba? If you wanna talk about billionaires, it's private planes. Well, itong isa, si Derek, he lied. He denied. And we were broken up na that time and he said none of it is true.